Hi, I'm Amit Kumar Dev, a 3D artist and animator. Over the years, I have worked on many exciting projects in modeling and animation. Now, I am here to guide you through your Blender journey. In today's digital era, learning Blender is not just a cool skill, it's a superpower. From gaming and animation to virtual reality and product design. 3D content is everywhere. Blender gives you the tools to create all of that for free. With industries shifting towards digital experiences, having 3D skills open doors to exciting careers, freelancing opportunities, and even your own creative projects. Whether you are an artist, a designer, or just curious, now it is the perfect time to dive into Blender. Welcome to the Blender Mega Course for absolute beginners, your complete starting point to master Blender from the ground up. Whether you are aiming to create stylish characters, animate scenes, or bring your creative ideas to life in 3D, the course is designed to give you all the tools and confidence you need. This course is divided into 7 focused chapters, making it easy for you to learn step by step. In chapter 1, we will talk about Blender basics. You will learn to navigate Blender's interface with ease, work in object mode, and manipulate anything like a pro. In chapter 2, we will dive into mesh editing mastery. You will discover essential mesh editing tools, explore modifiers, and understand object constraints for precise control. In chapter 3, we'll talk about sculpting. You will dive into Blender's sculpting tools and start creating organic shapes, characters, or stylized forms with an artist touch. In chapter 4, we'll dive into materials, textures, and paintings. You will learn how to apply materials. You will learn about UV unwrap, use textures, and vertex paints. Bring life and detail to your model. Then in chapter 5, we will finally dive into animation and rigging essentials. We will talk about animation timeline, top sheet, graph editors, armatures, Rigify, wet paints, IK/FK, and much more. You will learn about cloth physics, rigid body, particles, and much more. Then in chapter 7, we will talk about grease pencil, compositing, and video editing. You will learn to blend 2D and 3D using grease pencil, enhance your scenes in the compositor, and finish everything in Blender's video sequence editor. This course gives you everything you need to unlock your creativity without any confusion. Each chapter ends with a practice-based lesson, so you build real projects and apply everything you learn step by step. So if you are tired of scattered tutorials, and if you are ready to stop watching and start creating, this is your moment. Let's go from Blender beginner to confident creator. Get this course and I'll see you inside.